Well, it's cold today. It snowed. Things are frozen. This is what's going on at Noah's house today. We're just gonna mill around, do some talking, flip some snow off of some lids. You guys ready? Here we go. Well, winter showed up last night. We got a little bit of snow. Not too much. I'd say, well, heck, I don't know, inch and a half, an inch. Not a lot of snow, just enough to really screw the roads up around here, because everybody loses their mind on that first snow. But I'm over to check out the bins because I like to get the snow off of those roofs and check out the other things I've built, because an engineer I'm not. The manure depot, looking good. Spin you around, try not to make you dizzy. There we go. Ooh, it's windy. It's worked out well. The roof hasn't collapsed, which is, you know, a bonus. Looks good. I haven't really put out a lot of gardening videos. Not a lot of gardening going on. Ooh, my wheelbarrow, I bet, was full of water. And now, big thing of ice. That's not good. Ooh, it's solid. It's about 15 degrees out, Celsius, Fahrenheit. And this is why I come over. I'll spin you around, check this out. Can you see how much they hang down? And I always get a little nervous that my plastic's gonna collapse. And I don't want that to happen. I've been putting out some really cool pipe videos. Okay, 2. But I'm up to 34 subscribers, I think. Thanks everybody for that. Not a lot of gardening videos when it's 15 degrees and snowing out. But just wanted to check in. Film a couple other things. A little talk about what I'm going to do in the garden this year. I'm going to turn you off real quick because I'm going to flip these bins up and over. I do have a pipe today. It's a Brigham 1 dot. Can't remember exactly the name of this one, but I'm still smoking some honey roast from Boswell's. That is the January Blend Club blend. So I've been smoking through a couple ounces of it to really get a feel for it. I was on the fence at first, but now I'm kind of liking it. But hey, I'll catch you back in just a second. So, I always do dumb things. I forgot to flip my wheelbarrow over a couple weeks ago before this weather showed up. And we had a bunch of rain. I didn't think about it, which rain collects in a wheelbarrow. Now it's 15 degrees. Everything's froze solid. So, I don't know if you can see that right there. It's not a metal wheelbarrow, it's plastic, which I've already broken it over there with a shovel. But the ice has done what ice does, expanded, broke the plastic. I'm thinking I could probably duct tape that too. It'll still be good for carrying dirt around, but I used to mix cement and stuff in it, which I don't think that's gonna happen. But anyway, that sucks. And those are the dumb things that I do because I wasn't using my brain. Because when it's raining and I don't go outside. I don't want to go outside. Anyways, thought I'd show you that. Whew. All right, here's a little adder on to the couple previous segments. It is the 11th, January the 11th. It has been in Pittsburgh where I live. It's not just the temperature, which I'm sure you guys know. It's also the wind chill. So it's been sub-zero wind chills overnight and into the morning the last few days. Oh, all right. The big piece of ice came out of the wheelbarrow. But like I showed previously, cracked the wheelbarrow. Just a little update. Everything's frozen solid. update on my beds. I'm down at the compost area. Yeah, see, I got a big thing of ice in there. Ooh, and it looks like it's about ready to pop through the plastic. Ooh, that does not look good at all. So I'm gonna get that off. I got some over here too. Whew. I do want to redo them coming up here, so hopefully I can. Hopefully this ice comes off. My raised beds from previous videos, I went out, was checking them. I did have the incident in the garden where something got in there and ate a lot of things, but even under my hoops, it's frozen solid like a brick. I'm thinking where I planted my garlic in that raised bed is gonna be a no-go. I mean, I know you need it to be cold to stratify it, is it? Or cold something? I think it's a little too cold. But I did plant some garlic that way. Not that way, that way. So I'm gonna take a look at that. But it's a very cold Tuesday at Noah's house. And I don't get home from work till around 4:30. So I have a little bit of light to run around and do some stuff. It's supposed to get a little warmer this weekend, so hopefully I can get some stuff going. But I'm just busting ice off now, and a little mad about the wheelbarrow. That's on me. And I'm not too happy with the raised beds being that frozen. But I did read that the big, tall raised beds would do that in my zone. That's kind of on me too, but I figured I'd have to give it a try. But last year, my hoop houses, for my in-ground raised beds, the ones that are just about a foot tall, did good, but I did have lights in there last year. Maybe that's why they didn't froze solid. But the few things that were grown in there, into one taller raised bed, it's the little bed. Oh, sorry. Got these new glasses and I'm not getting along with them. I'm not sure I like them or not. But the stuff in that taller raised bed, it seems frozen. But I kept with this format for the video too, because I did it with the other one. My camera's going up and down instead of left and right. But anyways, hey, that's what's going on at Noah's house today. It's really cold. I got to do some recon with some ice. Pop this video out. Once again, like, subscribe, share. I'm going to have some cool new stuff coming up. Couple surprises, things going on. But it's just too cold to get into that stuff right now. Man, I really don't know if I like these glasses or not. Thanks for all my new subscribers. I'm almost up to 40. Hope you guys enjoy the pipe videos, the gardening videos, and maybe one more type channel thing I'm gonna come up with. But hey, stay warm, stay safe. If you're down south, don't get too hot. That's what's going on at Noah's house today. I'll see you guys. Bye.